Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make liquid soap. So you just need three ingredients: honey. I use honey. Any honey would work as long as it's a liquid. All honey is usually. So that's honey. You can get it at the grocery store, any store around you. If you don't have it, you can order it online. And most important, soap. Soap is a basic need for anyone usually. But if you don't have soap, that's okay. Because you can always get it at grocery stores or order it online too. And if you don't have this is the hardest one to find. It's glycerin. Um, it is really hard to find because you don't usually find these at the grocery store. This is usually for soft hands, moisturizes hands, it's for softens and moisturizes multi-purpose. So if you have cracked hands, you can always use it. You can buy it online at Ace Hardware store. And if you can't find it, it's okay. You can just use basic soap if you want this is what you want to. So you need a plate to grate the soap, and then you can grate it. A grater. So turn under 12, you might need a parent's guardian for this. So yeah, and then hold on. Let me just turn on something. Okay. So I'm going to use the white first, and let me show you how it works. Let me just turn it like that. So now let me show you. Usually we use the big size, and usually you find glitters in weeks rather sometimes in days, like the grocery store or something. Anywhere is usually refrigerator. Sometimes I see in the gift shops. It's so weird. So yeah. And thanks for watching. Bye.